Hey y'all, welcome back to the Socially Awesome channel. Elise Smith here, and I'm very excited to continue our conversation about humanizing your brand on social media. So if you are just joining us, all of our episodes in May on Tuesdays have been about humanizing your brand, and some of our Thursday episodes as well. But we are going to continue the conversation today in expressing appreciation. So the power of showing gratitude. And this is going to sound a little silly to you, but you've got to show that gratitude to your audience for them to want to continue to do business with you. So when you're celebrating your wins, okay, and this is where a lot of brands go wrong. When they're celebrating their wins, they don't thank the people that supported them to get there. And then it seems distasteful to some of your audiences. So be sure to thank the people that support you and help you accomplish them. Just like at the Grammys or any other award ceremony, you see people stand up and they say, I want to thank this person and I want to thank this person. Make sure that you're doing that in your content as well. You're not just bragging to your customers that you got this achievement or that achievement or sold this much in sales without letting them know we appreciate every single one of you that have helped us. Your audience will be subconsciously, emotionally invested in your success since they'll see their role in it and how much you appreciated them. So they're more likely to continue to support you on your journey, whatever your brand might be, okay? So everyone likes to feel a part of something bigger than themselves, but everyone also likes to feel appreciated. And that's where a lot of people fall short. So you can do this in a lot of ways. You can do this by spotlighting good reviews or good testimonies. In the last episode, we actually talked a lot about testimonies from your clients and using those behind the scenes pieces of content, but you can also showcase them in a gratitude form. So your client might share, or your customer, depending on if you're a product or service, your customer might share a testimony that says, I'll give you an example. Someone might say one about me that's like, Elise helped me during our VIP day really nail down my avatar and my branding, my content strategy. And I'm so excited to move into 2023 with this new strategy we developed. Thank you, Elise, for, working with me. Very simple, right? I could post that on my social media just like that and say, oh, I loved working with Karen too. This was a great experience. Thank you, Karen, for the review. Or I could make a little bit more relationship aspect to it, really make it a gratitude format. And when I share that to my audience, I could say something more along the lines of, I want to dedicate this post and share this post to Karen. She really worked hard during our VIP day to nail down her branding. I cannot wait to see what happens with her business in 2023. Make sure that you go follow her at xyzclothes.com. She's got some great stuff coming. That's the form of a gratitude post. I showed her gratitude for working with me, gratitude for giving me the shout out, and that I really did want to help her succeed by directing people to work with her or referring her. So gratitude can be in the form of referrals. It can be in the form of reviews. It can be in the form of thank you gifts, thank you letters, all the things. I can't remember the name of the brand. I think it's called BarkBox maybe, but I have seen on social media before. We don't have a dog currently, so I'm out of that loop, but I've seen where they actually send thank you notes to the dog's owners for buying from them. Like, that's insane. And there comes a point where that might be hard to do scaling wise, but I can guarantee you that makes the owners of those dogs really want to continue to shop there. So regardless of the industry, it's in every brand's best interest to connect with their audience on a human level. And it's a competitive world, competitive brand right now. So to have that success and engagement that you desire and that your business really needs, you need to put in the work and build genuine relationships with people. Share your brand's personality with the world, give them a reason to want to follow and support you, build that know, like, and trust factor again and again and again. So show them that you want to grow with your audience rather than outgrow them. Okay. So it's so important that you take this under your wing, that you really understand that showing that gratitude and appreciation for them can really build that connection. Another form of showing gratitude is providing value. So no gatekeeping. Okay. So, am I telling you to go give them proprietary formulas? No, but obviously you can educate, inspire, entertain through your content and share valuable knowledge. So not just in your in your content, but also in your customer service. So I'll shout out Zappos. Zappos, if I called Zappos right now, and they're a shoe company, right? They sell shoes, and said, hey, can you tell me what the weather is? They would look up the weather wherever I'm located for me. They provide 5-star world-class customer service. Am I telling you got to go look up the weather for everybody? No, I'm not. But that is something that's showing gratitude to their customers. Hey, we appreciate you even calling. So in return, we're going to look up the weather for you. Like that's mind-blowing, right? And not everyone can duplicate that, but that's what they're known for, that world-class customer service. So what are you known for? And how can you capitalize that by showing gratitude? It's pretty cool once you think about it. Another way I like to show gratitude to my clients is, like I said, shout outs on social media, because as someone who has a large audience and a large influence, my clients can really benefit from the shout outs. So doing a shout out Saturday or shout out Sunday for my clients and letting them know, hey, I appreciate working with you and I want other people to work with you so that you can succeed. You could do gifts, you could even just say a happy birthday. Like there's so many ways for you to show that you're grateful for them being in your world, in your life, in your brand, as a customer, as a friend, as an audience member. So as always, make sure you click the show notes below. Get in our free community, Socially Awesome Entrepreneurs. If you're not already in there, we do weekly tips, tricks, and trainings to help you grow your business on social media. If you have not left us a review, that is the best compliment you can give. So if you got any value out of this episode at all, please feel free to do that. We would absolutely appreciate it. As always, take a screenshot, throw it in your stories, wherever you're listening, YouTube, the Facebook group, on the podcast, and tag me. I will share it to my audience. That's the best way to grow your own audience, is to get in front of other people's audiences, leveraging your time, leveraging social media. So as always, make it simple, make it social, and make it awesome. Thanks, guys.